I just quit my job. Yesterday I was sitting with a friend of mine on a call, and he told me, yeah man, I just quit my job in order to pursue my business. And that was nice and all. And I mean, I was really happy, right? If you can quit your job and pursue your dreams, that's like, it tastes like caramel. It's sweet. It's extremely sweet. But here comes the bitter part. So I asked him, so what's your game plan? And he looked at me almost a little bit confused. He straight up told me. And so I wanted to design a plan and so on, and like he just made a little bit of like a somewhat like excuses, tried to weave out of the question. I was like, man, how the fuck are you gonna reach your goals if you don't even have a plan to get there? A ship has with a destination but no map is just gonna try to find that port forever. It ain't gonna get there. So you gotta be the ship with the map to find the port. Without a map, you ain't gonna find shit, man. And so I told him, man, okay, there is this Notion template which which I actually use. I use it for all my goals. Basically, I'm on that thing every single day, tracking my habits, etc., etc. And I just sent him a link over. And I actually thought it would be pretty good to share this with you as well, because I know that a lot of people have goals, but not a lot of people have a plan to reach that goal. And so I took that Notion template, I customized it a little bit, already put some stuff in there. It's sorted in quarters, so just like a business who would operate. This is also a very good little trick. Try to think as a business. You are the business. Help me a ton. But anyway, that Notion template is in the link in the description, or I'm gonna put it in the comments wherever. And I hope it can help you out, bro. Because it's not nice to just like try to find gold when you don't know where to shovel. And so yeah, find your purpose, man.